Okay, today's video, money ideas, how to make money on TikTok in 2023, featuring Poarch. So let's get into the video. So the agenda in today's video, we're talking about Poarch. So let's get into it. So Poarch, she has 92 million followers on TikTok. She has 2.2 billion likes and has a net worth between $200,000 and $2 million. Her timeline. So in 2017, she served in the military for 3 years before retiring. In January 2020, she created her TikTok account, sharing gaming and cosplay content. In August 2020, she went viral with her lip-syncing video, M to the B. In May 2021, she signed a record deal with Warner Records. In 2021, she released her debut single, Build a BRTCH. In August 2022, she released her debut album, EP, called Dolls, and several music videos to go with it. How she makes her money. So collaborations is one way. She's collaborated with HyperX, Tinder, Cash App, Montclair, and Google, to name a few. She does music. She signed to Warner Records for her EP and for the singles that she's created. Merchandise. She has a limited edition clothing line, which she does with Rip and Dip. Sponsored posts. She charges approximately $30,000 per TikTok post and has done several TikTok posts for various different companies. TikTok Creator Fund. So as a result of her having a huge number of views, a lot of engagement, and a big following count, she's able to get money from TikTok. Now, with 2 to 3 cents per 1,000 views, and she's averaging about 9.5 million views per TikTok video, you can approximate that she makes about $95,000 per TikTok video. Online streaming. Well, it's unconfirmed plans, but she has something where she's, doing some kind of a deal with Netflix at the present moment, but it's unconfirmed, but it's coming soon. So you can expect that she's going to generate money from that opportunity too. So Poarch's earnings from TikTok for 2022 is estimated to be $1 million plus per year, and it could be a lot more. So the key takeaway from this is be willing to experiment and discover what's working for you. As you can see, she's done a lot of different TikTok videos, and some of these ones have hit off and some others haven't. So for you, if you're just starting on your TikTok journey and you're trying to generate income on TikTok, you're going to have to experiment with various types of videos, different formats and structures until you can find what works for you. So, put some stuff out there, look at the analytics, and you can determine. Once you find what's working, pivot in that direction and do more of it. So if you look at the analytics and you notice that, okay, a lot of people are liking a certain style of content that you create on TikTok out of all of the different styles that you've made, then your goal now is to do more of it and to improve on that. Because obviously that's something that people are engaging with, people are viewing, and the more of it you can do, the more success you can achieve. As you can see with her M to the B with the lip syncing, she's then gone on to actually go do more music related stuff and now has her own singles and albums. So have a plan for monetizing without the TikTok Creator Fund. I know everybody wants to get on the TikTok Creator Fund, but it may take you a little while before you achieve the, eligibility and criteria to get that. So in the meantime, you could always be generating money from other sources, whether that be sponsors, whether that be creating your own products and services, whether that be, using your own creativity to figure out a way that you can generate some money from this, following that you're generating, this content that you're putting out there, even if it means, promoting other people's products as an affiliate marketer. That could also work too. So the action steps for today's video. 1, create your account if you haven't already done so, because we can't go any further without that. So go create your account on TikTok. 2, I want you to start designing it. So start adding your profile picture, start adding a little bit of videos, and start adding some, information about yourself and decorating it and making it just look like your own. Don't leave it lonely and empty. 3, I want you to start posting trendy videos on a daily basis. So that means you have to go do some due diligence, do some research, determine what's popular, what's trending right now. And I want you to try and replicate similar things to that, because at the moment you don't know what's going to work for you. So I want you to go scourge the internet, have a look and see on TikTok, see what's working, what's popular, what's trending right now. Go and do a similar style video. And then, from there you will start to get a gist of us, okay, what's working, what's not working for you. And then you can do more, like we said, of the things that's working and less of the things that's not. 4, I want you to start selling something, as we just said earlier. Sell something. We're not doing this for fun. We're doing this to generate money, right? So TikTok, if you want to make it a source of income for yourself, you need to have something to sell. You need to have a way that people can pay you, a way that you can make some money off of this. We're not just trying to just create videos for the sake of it. Going viral is not in your control. So just keep leveling up. So as I'm trying to say, that you can't just wait for your, chance to put a video out there like the M to the B from Poarch and expect that you're going to go viral. You might not put out a viral video, but you can still achieve huge success from, incrementally putting lots of videos out there, getting views, and steadily those views growing, your following count growing, and you building up an audience there. And all the while from the very beginning, you had something to sell. Even if that was just very something small, and as it got, a bigger following, you made it something a bit more expensive to sell. Just do that. And as usual, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below, and I'll give you my 2 cents.